Oh no!
Wait, what just happened?
Oh, just, I don't know. What fell, Dan?
Did you try and open one of those things?
No, it's all right. Yes, those things are ridiculous. What did he leave you? Okay, let's scan the table here. Whoa. Now, we left the window blinds open so Bunny looked in and saw our empty basket. Gail talked, so I'm not hearing my nauseating voice. Here's, it looks like something that says Emma on it. And here is Gabriel's. Oh, and there's the Chicky Poos. Gabriel.
Where you at, Gabe?
Dan. Okay. Go ahead, I'm on. Here, Gail, why don't you take it? Yes, you can. Here, record. There you go. And you can let go. Let go.
Okay.
She hooked.
Oh, it's on now, you mean?
Brains and...
It's that thing that is...
Let's look at Emma's face while we... Emma! Hi! Jeff getting his newspaper. How'd you turn it off, Martha?
When I turn it off, just push the button again. Just push it like that.
I'm not a pro at this. There's David checking it out. Hi, Dan. Oh, look at Emma opening her little thing. Emma, happy Easter.
Brains are here.
What is that?
Look at it.
What is that thing?
Oh my gosh, look.
Wait, oh! Whoa!
It's alive!
Look at that!
You know what that means? It's
Oh, let's look over here. What do you do? Try to walk really slow. Dan, show the camera what you've got. What is that? It's a chirping little warm egg. It's
I don't think it opens up.
No, it doesn't
No,
open.
don't open it, it'll break. You just have to listen to the notes. There's a little life in there.
Let's see how Emma's doing.
That's for me? Thank you. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is what you need. I'm gonna look.
Okay, Martha, I'm not sure I'm even... Oh, there we go. Shake it, Emma. Shake it. Shake, shake.
Shake it. Make it.
This is all the jelly beans I had.
Counting?
There's one in there. That was a hard egg.
Let me see. Where was it?
Right in
Oh, let me see. Hold on. Is it in the light? Oh, it's in the light. What'd you find, Gabe?
Oh, man, Martha, your garden's really going wild.
What'd you find, Gabe? Where'd you find any?
What?
Where'd you find them?
Where?
Really? Man, he was busy back here. Do you see any footprints? Any paw prints?
Yeah.
Go get him, Emma. Go get him. Emma. Emma. Emma, look right there. Look on the slide. Go look on the slide. Oh, the golden eggs only at Karen's house. That's where the money eggs are. They're rich in Los Altos. All right! Yay!
I feel like going back there, but I'm freezing. I want to go more.
Look at Dan's basket. He's got this, the paper's blowing.
How many do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, horsey.
My feet are sore. More.
More.
There might be one
Actually says more.
Oh, she's really starting to talk. It's like this explosion of words. I've got to write it down. Well, they say it's like
You want me
six.
to hold that for you? Here, I'll hold these.
Gives
See how she tries to...
out.
Oh, my feet are so sore. I can't go over there.
I know that those rocks are kind of painful.
What?
You got it.
Dan
We're going to try to hold it. So let's see.
shut.
All right, Emma. Yay!
Standing up straight.
See, the hair is in good form. Oh, where's the sock? Oh, there you are. Beautiful. What a See, notice I don't put the camera on myself. All right, David, let's see what you go to sleep in. Were you fully dressed when you were asleep?
What?
Was David fully dressed?
Oh,
I
yeah,
might as well be.
he always is. He's always
Unless
got
I-
full form. He's got the sweats. Sometimes even socks on.
Oh, Grandpa.
You usually have a jacket on.
No,
I know
I've only
Gail's-
got my plaid thing on.
It's beautiful, Gail.
Body. What's in there? Is she adorable or what?
Get Martha a little bit.
No, that's okay. Where's Jeff?
Okay, let's do the full picture. Just the intrepid crawlers through the yard trying to get the eggs. Let's see how many you guys have. Dan?
How many do you have?
Oh my gosh. Gabe?
7 or 6.
I got more than 7, I
I
bet.
think your shirt's on backwards, Gabe. Okay, let's
I'm going to
see.
take a regular camera so they can take a picture right here.
1,
Okay, we've got to do the bench every year.
2, 3,
Okay, hurry, Gabe. I'm going to waste the film.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Oh,
11, 12.
look at my face. Look up.
Ooh, eggs!
Oh, those are empty,
Hey, you guys.